Alright, here's 4 units of this place real quick. Here's an ICP. It's an 18 5-ton. It has been running. It's a Trane XB10 2005 5-ton. That was an XB10. Oh my word, that is working amazing. And then look up, and then here are 2 brand new American Standard Silver Series. I'm saying brand new. Look at this. Look at that. 2026. These are my first A2L 2026 American Standard Silver Series. 2026 5-ton. This is awesome. That's not been running. 2026 5-ton as well. And they do have alliance, which is good. This is working nicely. Okay. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.